What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video on EDC, that's everyday carry. I wanted to cover 5 affordable items that every beginning videographer could use in their kit. Now, if you've been doing this for a long time, you're an experienced producer, you've got all this covered, but I'm talking to the new guys. I'm talking about the people that have started a business, or they're not videographers, but they're shooting video for their business, or they're doing content creation. They're just trying to get their feet wet in the whole world. What are 5 essential items that can make your life easier? All right, let's get started. Number 5, this one's really exciting. Spring clips. Yes, spring clips. You can get these things at any hardware store. You can order them online. Smaller ones go for about $2. You can get bigger ones for about $5 or $6. These are great because you can use them to bunch up fabric, you can use them for backdrops, you can use them to hang diffusion. There are a million different reasons why you want to have a couple of these clips in your bag. Spend the money on it, spend 20 bucks, buy a handful, keep it in your bag at all times, and you will find a use for them. Number 4, gaffer tape. This one is an essential. It's not that expensive, keep it in your bag at all times. You can use it to tape down all the cables so no one's tripping on a set. You can use it to tape on microphones. You can use it also for taping up clothes. You can use it for taping on diffusion. You can use it a million different ways, but gaffer tape is perfect and it does not leave much of a residue, so it's a lot of easy cleanup when you're done filming. 3, speaking of diffusion, get some diffusion. This stuff is perfect if you're using lights that are harsh or LED lights that don't have a built-in diffusion, and sometimes the built-in diffusion doesn't look that great anyway. So get yourself some of these sheets. It's not that expensive. You can use those spring clips to hook them on to barn doors, anything of that nature, but get some diffusion. It'll make all your shoots look so much better. Number 2, you know, I just realized if you're in Australia, I flipped you off, and I'm really sorry about that. Flashlights. Always get a flashlight. Now, don't trust the one on your phone. Get a dedicated flashlight with a better beam. You can use it when you're on a dark set. You can use it when you're behind things and you've got cables running around, or you're behind a computer and you're trying to figure out what's going on in an edit bay. There's 1,000 uses also for a flashlight. You don't know how often you're going to use it until you buy one, and then you use it all the time. This one is a Fenix model. They're not that expensive. Some of them run on AAA batteries, some have AA batteries, but they will last you a long time, and they are so essential in your kit. Number 1, the big one, multi-tool. Always carry a multi-tool with you on a shoot. All right, this is a Leatherman. They're Swiss Army, there are Gerber, they make a good brand. Particularly if you're looking for something very affordable, Gerber has the dime, which is really cool, maybe 20, 25, 30 bucks. I'm not sure what they go for now. But either way, get one that has one particular feature, and that is the pliers. So that's why I go with the Leatherman. The Gerber has that too. There are very few Swiss Army knives that have that quality. But you also get with it, you know, Phillips head screwdrivers, there are flathead screwdrivers. You don't want to be the person having to borrow a nickel or a dime or a quarter from a client, asking for loose change so you can change the plate on your tripod. Carry with you a multi-tool. It comes in handy all the time. Gear breaks down, screws come loose, not just in here, but on your gear, and it will be invaluable. Now, I will say, if you are shooting in sports venues or government buildings, things like this will get flagged by security because there is a blade in it, right? So make sure you leave them in your car or at home if you are shooting in one of those venues. Always check to see what is allowed in the place that you are shooting. But in that case, see if you could just bring a screwdriver in the bag or a pair of pliers, something to make sure you are always set. All right, I really hope all that helps. I'd like to do some more of these videos, but I thought this was the top 5 that just really helps you out if you are starting out and trying to figure out, what do I carry around other than a camera and a microphone and a tripod? What else do I need? These are the things that you learn over the years are invaluable to you. All right, I will come back with some more stuff later. Have a great day.